Hello guys, welcome back to Sure Learning. I hope you all are safe and healthy in this pandemic. Are you one of those teachers who is curious to know about the futuristic trends in education? If yes, then this video is for you. Watch the entire video to know what are the trends that define the future of education. This pandemic has brought a paradigm shift in the teaching method. The entire platform and delivery of education is changed with new methods and techniques. Trend number 1. Practical learning strategies. Previously, it was not possible to demonstrate or perform the experiment for all subjects. But now, technology has changed everything. You can show whatever you want on screen using virtual reality or 3D models. This helps all type of learners, especially the audio and visual learners. For example, if you want to teach a geography, then instead of a flat surface map or book maps, you can use a 3D model where students will get to know about a 360-degree view of a map. Now, this is the time when you can ask your student to demonstrate their learning with practical approach. This will help them to increase their creativity skill and to become a master into that subject. Trend number 2. Focus on students' preference. Today, education has no importance or scope for assumption. The new norm is to judge the need of an hour and that of the student. Imparting education is now replaced by child or student-centric education. The future of education is all about strengthening and incorporating student-centric learning along with a flexible learning pattern. As a teacher, you have to focus on likes and dislikes of student and groom him accordingly so that he can become an expert in his area of interest. Trend number 3. Fun learning. Okay guys, today we are going to see a main topic that is communication skill. How do you feel about this type of learning? Isn't it feel boring? Okay class, so today we are going to discuss a most important topic, that is communication skill. How about this type of teaching? Yes, it's look interesting, right? Combination of education and entertainment is opening the doors to think ahead. You can use technology to grab the attention of students. Use of augmented reality will help to develop the creativity of students. The latest innovation has already replaced the pen and chalk method of teaching. Now, technology is there to begin with educative podcasts and videos, recorded audio, videos and lessons and so on. This type of innovations in your classroom will engage the student and student enjoy the learning into the classroom. Trend number 4. Skill-based training. Education is all about preparing your students towards sustainable employment. You must have heard that in foreign universities, they give lots of importance for skill-based training, which help their students to enhance the opportunities of employment and provide hands-on experience. Skill-based training allows students to stay ahead in their chosen field of work. It is also one of the best way to fill the gap between demand and supply of trained professionals. Trend number 5. Learning on the go. Now, this is the generation of smartphone, laptop, tablets, and students are much more comfortable to use these gadgets at the early age. This comfort level gives them an opportunity to learn anything, anywhere, at any point of time, as per their convenience. To enrich the learning experience of students in today's generation, what you need is a simple mobile and internet connection. Trend number 6. Competency-based education pattern. Nowadays, teachers are more interested to implement adaptive learning curriculum. This type of learning can be conducted on innovative platforms. The delivery of content and feedback is instant and personalized. It leads to better engagement and learning in students. Another interesting feature of this platform is that you can group the student as per their strength and capabilities. You can use breakout room and have customized input and output, keeping in mind the fundamental interest and individual needs of students. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Happy teaching!